Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to India Food Network. For some interesting recipe notifications, do not forget to click on the bell icon. Well, today in our monsoon special episode, we are going to show you a special recipe from Jammu. It's called Lakhanpur de Bhalle. Well, Lakhanpur, for the uninitiated, is a small town on the Jammu highway. When you're on your way to Punjab from Jammu, you come across Lakhanpur, and that's where you have street vendors serving you bhallas or pakodas. For this, we need to make a batter, and for that, I've taken Moong Dal. This is soaked for 3 to 4 hours, and it's nice and plump at this stage. To this, we'll be adding in some Chana Dal, which is also soaked for 4 hours. Let's begin to grind this first. To this, let's add in some water. We need to grind this into a thick paste, so do not add a lot of water. Our dals have ground into a nice and smooth paste. Let's transfer this in a bowl. Let's add in some spices and seasoning. To begin with, let's add in some black pepper powder. With this, let's add in some chili powder and finally some salt. Let's mix this well. And with this, our bhalla batter is done and ready. While we need to just rest it for 5 minutes and keep it aside, let's simultaneously heat oil in a kadhai. While the oil is heating up, let's take a small grinder and make an accompanying chutney. This chutney is specifically made using radish leaves. So the first thing that goes in the grinder are radish leaves. Wash them nicely, chop them roughly. To this, let's add in some chilies and garlic. To this, let's add in some curd. And finally, some salt as required. Let's grind this into a smooth paste. Our chutney is done and ready. And so has our oil heated up. Time to fry the bhallas. Just before we begin the frying process, we need to whip the batter one last time. And the next step is to drop in spoonfuls in the hot oil. We need to fry these till they are nice, crisp and light in color. These are one of those bhallas where you do not need a lot of color and definitely not golden brown. Once these are fried well, we need to transfer these on an absorbent tissue paper. And these are traditionally served with grated radish and topped with the radish leaf chutney. Well, that's how Lakhanpur de Bhalle are done and ready. I'm definitely going to enjoy this recipe with your family and friends. For more such interesting monsoon recipes, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to India Food Network.